What would you do if an animal ruined your day at the zoo? Because that's what happened to me today.
So I was at the hippo exhibit and they have this big pool area for them to swim in, which is like 50 feet away from all the people. So I was just chilling looking at the hippos roam around until one of them decided to go for a swim. But what I didn't realize about hippos is just how heavy they are, because this hippo did not just stroll into the water. It sprinted full speed, then jumped in. And since the hippo is so big, when it hit the water, it made the biggest splash since Rihanna at the Super Bowl. So somehow the water came all the way from the pool 50 feet over to me and everyone else standing by me. We all got drenched because none of us were expecting the water to come that far, so we didn't have time to react. This is literally how it went. Oh look, the hippo's about to jump in the water. Oh no.